LGBTQ 1 Minute News. Let's queer up drag culture. Utah City ordered to pay $350,000 in legal fees to drag performers in a First Amendment fight. A federal judge has ordered St. George to pay $350,000 in legal fees to the Southern Utah drag stars following a years-long First Amendment case. The performers, led by CEO Mitski Avalox, sued the city in 2023 after being denied a permit for an all-ages drag show in a public park. Backed by the American Civil Liberties Union of Utah, they argued the decision violated free speech and equal protection rights. While the city claimed that it was simply enforcing event regulations, the court eventually sided with the performers. A settlement reached last year emphasized that the city owes both compensation and a public apology. The new ruling confirms that the city must also cover the substantial legal costs associated with the case. Well, good. I hope that the voters of St. George see it and vote their city councils out, because they just cost the city $350,000 in legal fees that is going to go straight to lefty organizations like the ACLU.
Don't count on it. I mean,
I doubt that.
St. George, I mean, you're talking Utah.
Deep Utah.
St. George is very small, very, south is closer to the border. So you're not going to, I guarantee that half the people that are there don't even pay attention to what the city council is doing in the first place. If you drive through there, I had family who used to live there. We have picnics in the backyard, like those types of things. Mm-hmm. So yeah, don't count on it. What I do like to see though is this is not the first case that we've had, with drag performers pushing back. We've had, Tennessee, we've had it here. So we keep seeing at least the courts going, okay guys, this is a step too far.
The frustrating part is that this should never happen at all. All these expenses should never have been incurred.
Agreed.
Had they had state, local, and federal authorities decide not to pursue drag show as if it is some kind of cursed event.
There's some silver lining that we now have court cases that now can have precedent.
Yeah. I don't know all about the local city council voters. I don't know any of that. But what I do know is that apparently homophobia and transphobia doesn't pay, but representing drag queens does. Oh my God, good job, girl. $350,000. Good for you.
Well, I'm sure the legal fees go straight to ACLU to do more good work on behalf of American people who are being oppressed.
Oh, who cares? They were bigots. Take all their money and spend it on champagne or whatever you want, kids. Goodness.
I think, I don't think
Drag's expensive.
Yes, it is.
And someone's used to do it.
Well, and with that expensive note, that is an LGBTQ 1 Minute News story. There's no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.